Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's news time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I know see the country when all of us come from. I don't know what I go call people when they Nigeria or the way when then they do things or the way when they organize their things. Because the whole thing when they happen in that country, that is why I see Nigeria not get peace not in that country. That's why you see people they too divided in that country. Whether not the Hausa people group or Fulani group or Yoruba group or Delta people group or Igbo people group or name it, then they too divided. Before, the only thing when would they hear before in that nation be say Biafran people they want liberate themselves, and inside Biafra land then get many cities when they inside Biafra land, or let's say states when they in Biafra, according to the way where they don't draw the map before. According to the way when Nnamdi Kanu they talk am today, when would they live today, then get many states when they involve in this Biafran game where they play. But you see today now we dey hear say it gets another group of people what they call Niger Delta people, when they say they want liberate themselves on the 1st of June, and they call them within Niger Delta Republic. And these people, they inside among people when Nnamdi Kanu don't draw, say all of them they inside the map. This Niger Delta people. That is, I think, now Port Harcourt side. When they must just side, when they must Sari Dokubo, then they can just put them plain so that people go understand my analysis. Now, we don't hear now say this group of men from I don't know whether they be militant. I know say before this same group of people when they for Niger Delta, they don't brag say if Buhari rig election, if Buhari do this, if Buhari do that, say they go scatter everywhere. They don't brag that time. Funky don't know whether or not they tell now when they won't play out with that, because they don't tell Buhari and APC say if they fuck up with the election what they won't do, say if they rig, say see what thing they go do, say they go do something when they go favor the government. Funky don't know now whether or not this thing now when they want liberate themselves, whether or not they don't plan before the election. I don't know that one, but now so them talk. Okay. Now, why it can't be say Nigeria, everybody just be like APC and PDP people? Because no unity. Look at what Nnamdi Kanu don't they agitate for before. Now everybody want to agitate the same thing. Niger Delta people now don't come out, they call themselves, say they go be Niger Delta, Republic of Niger Delta. Does it make sense? Now, Biafra did their own. They do their own. I mean, IPOP did their own. Owazurike then did their own. Ohanaeze Ndigbo did their own. The governors then did their own. Different group did their own. Just they do their own thing instead of coming together. But Funky didn't know say majority of them they do this thing because of money, so that government will call them. Just like the way when they don't call Asari Dokubo before. Give Asari Dokubo plenty money when they go build university in this place where they call Benin Republic. And the same Asari Dokubo people, now then be this Niger Delta people, when one bring this problem again, when one bring this same confusion. This before, days ago, now this guy what they call Wazurike and his group, what they call Mozop, they go open Biafran radio, according to Biafran radio station, just exactly the way when Nnamdi Kanu don't open, when Nnamdi Kanu they do. Now, this Niger Delta people now, because of this sabotage, to sabotage everything when the whole Biafran effort. Ladies and gentlemen, Funky D not there here to side anybody. Whether na IPOP, whether na Wazurike, whether na the Masari Dokubo own, whether na this Niger Delta own, but I am just analyzing my own thing generally. As things be, now so we they put them. Say you get. Now, waiting go make these people, whether they call Niger Delta people, to say they want liberate themselves. When they know say, then they inside the Biafra struggle. Abi they not they inside the this Biafran struggle. And then now they don't put them inside the map, say then they is involved in the Biafran game. Waiting can be the problem when we say our people they too divided. Why can't be say the same thing when they happen inside PDP and APC? The same thing when they happen inside our political arena. Now see they happen in this Biafran agitation and the Igbo and everything. Because now the politicians they know they tell us the truth. Buhari not they tell us the truth. Jubri not they tell us the truth. Atiku not they tell us the truth. Now, the thing when suppose save South and Southeast people, when be this Biafran thing, when they struggle for. Now, a lot of people don't put their bad head inside, bad hand inside. Monkey hand don't enter inside soup, ladies and gentlemen. Monkey hand inside soup. Monkey hand don't enter, many monkey hand don't enter inside this Biafran thing. Many evil people when not like good thing. When still remain, when still like corruption, still like Nigeria the way when it did. Because of the wicked mentality when they get and their devilish mentality when they get, then their hand they inside this Biafran matter now. Because they don't want to tell themselves the truth. They don't want to see, they don't want to face the truth. They like the way when people they live in that country. They like the stupid condition when people they in that country. That's why you see, when somebody go bring better thing, you go see another one go spoil them. When someone go bring another thing, you go see another one go spoil them. Why can't be say this Delta, Niger Delta, whatever they call them now? Why can't be say then they do this kind of a thing at this present time? And if Funky D they talk, people will come talk say Funky D na saboteur. Because Funky D they speak the truth. Why can't be say people now can't they do all this kind of things when they do in that country? Tell me how that country go take better. Tell me whether Hausa people not they laugh at una. Tell me whether Buhari not they laugh at una with this behavior. When all of una they behave. Because una want money, una want make government call on a pack money, give una like the way when they give this Hesmin and the Boko Haram. Now I make una they come out, say una want Delta, Niger or whatever, una they call on herself. Tell me whether APC and PDP not they laugh at una. And the song go come out, come talk say na Okorocha, no Okoro this, Okoro that. Not be only Okorocha, then plenty. And the only way when una go take solve this problem, Funky don't tell all of una before. Anybody when they agitate, what you need they agitate. Una know this say Yoruba people say they laugh at una. Yoruba one on it now they talk say Yoruba na them be this and that. Then they laugh at una because then they don't already see una no unite. This is greediness. They just stand where they stand now. Bola Tinubu don't come as now say, before you know now, at the end of the day, maybe in 2023, Bola Tinubu go still come out if revolution not come. And una go looking like joke. Instead of una to gather una self together, put una self in order. Whether you be Biafra, whether you be IPOP, whether you be your whether they record waiting they record the other one Niger Delta, whether you be Wazurike people, whether you be anything when you be, instead of una to join hand together, nah, una did the disgrace on herself. They come and say una won't do Niger Delta nonsense. Buhari and his people, then they laugh at una. Hausa Kabas, then they say, oh, these people, no. Una not what? Now, I won't begin support them. But not beside go they support what they do. Because now waiting that they tell una, say una not what anything. Una when they agitate, because una not know waiting una they agitate for. Because una not they united. All of una they separated. All of una greedy. All of una not they do all this on agitation because una want make people come together or because una want good governance or governance. No. Una they do them for una own interest. Una they do them to fill una pocket. Una they do them to be rich. Una they do them to come they loot our money again. Now this one don't show me because Niger Delta people, when they call themselves, when they call themselves, what did they want call themselves? We not accept una wahala. The only way when people like Funky D go even put, they support people, be say all of una come together and must be watched seriously. All of una must to come to, if una not come together, nothing is coming. Because united we stand, divided, una go fall. Una go fall like Okorocha all of una. If una not take time. All of una. Okorocha own even better. Una go fall like the way when Angel Michael take stone devil come down from heaven. Now so, all of una go fall. Scatter. Because una not know waiting una they do. No only unity go bring this agitation. Go bring the fruitfulness. Any or nothing, no go bring out anything for una. Nothing. Now, Niger Delta, the one they call themselves Republic of Niger Delta, and IPOP people, then they their own, they say they don't liberate themselves, they want this, they want that. Other people, Asari Dokubo did that one, they shout in own, or Wazurike did that one, they shout in own, or Hanez Indigbo did that one, or Korocha did that one, the whole governors did there. Una just did that scatter, and una know they see the way when outside people unite. Una know they see the way when outside people, even if say outside people they not trust themselves, but then trust themselves past our people. Even if say katakata they among them still, but them better pass Igbo people, them better pass south and southwest or south, whatever you call it, them better pass all of una. Because when them talk, they know they change mouth. When they say now this one we go do, they know they change mouth. Like the way when they talk, say they go deal with Okorocha. Another say that the Okorocha don't they feel, he don't they feed the heat. He don't they feed the heat already. Now they go public to public, they go talk to Osebanjo. Osebanjo go commission, waiting they go commission. Yeah, the Osebanjo go commission of recent in Imo State. When we don't know what Osebanjo don't go commission. When they don't call Buhari, say Buhari suppose come commission his statue. Today, Buhari not can go. They can't say, do like see them postpone, but they tell us now, so Osebanjo don't go. We don't know when Osebanjo go. But they tell us Osebanjo don't go. When Okorocha they explain to them, what happened to them. Okorocha never start to the suffer. He never start to the explain. So therefore, when they agitate this thing, when they agitate, when they take and they deceive people in Niger Delta, una no get peace. Anybody when they agitate this thing to deceive Nigerian people, anybody when they agitate this agitation, they want use and they deceive people. If you know say you they use your agitation to they deceive people, you know go get peace. Okorocha peace go better pass your peace. If you they do this thing to make money, to deceive people, Funky D say you no go get peace because you don't want make people get peace. The only thing when go solve this problem of this agitation, when they do, when go bring Biafra or bring unity in that south and the southeast, now only to come together. Because if you not come together, whether you fight this IPOP from now to 1 million years, you are not getting nothing. Whether you be Niger Delta, you they fighting for now to 1 million years, you are not getting nothing. Whether you be Wazurike or this one they call Asari Dokubo, when una be Mozo people, una no go get nothing. Bet Funky D. Bet me and bet me right. Whether Buhari finish in 10 or whether I not finish in 10 or una no go get nothing if una not come together. Because the wayo when una don't they do now, don't they too much and too open. But everybody don't know now, say all these things when majority of una they do na fraud. Now to fraud people, to take money from government and go sit down inside your house. Now the thing when they do be that. We not believe on honor. So the Niger Delta people when don't come and say they won't become this, they won't be that. We not send on a message. Because Biafra don't already did there since they come. From Ojuku time they come. Then the fight time they come. Now una won't carry on own come because una not be the leader of Biafra. Maybe. Yeah, because una not be the person will be the leader not come from Niger Delta. Is that? Maybe. That is the reason why. That's why they tell me say una got to unite. If una not unite, bet me, if you fight from here to 1 million years, now so Boko Haram and this herdsmen, Operation Python dance, the police, now so then go they kill una. If una not unite, to stand up together, to fight this thing, when una they fight, now so police, Operation Python dance, now so they go they kill una. Now so then go they jail una. Bet me, if una not unite. Because all these things when these people they do now to make their money. Owazurike did that they making money. Asari Dokubo did that they making money. These Niger Delta people now, they did that they make their money. Now they don't arrest 140 people, 140 IPOB members. Who go pay them? Now these people that go jail for nothing. Who go stand for them? So make una unite. Funky this say make una unite. Ladies and gentlemen, without unity, all of them, if you fight from here to 100 years, you no go get anything. Funky don't speak again. I don't want to. The only thing I always tell on na unity. Me, I'm not here to support anybody. The way when things be, now so we they talk am. You get Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you never subscribe to Funky D before, begin subscribe right now. Subscription, they're not they sell them now for free. So at any time when Funky D upload, you could get my video so easily. Get make una make sure so now begin share. Make una share this my video. Share and give this Niger Delta people. Make it reach Asari Dokubo hand. Make it reach Nnamdi Kanu hand. Make it reach Owazurike hand. Make it reach everybody, body whole governors, or Okorocha, all of them. Make it reach their hand. So that they go compose themselves to unite together. Or compose themselves for unity. Because without unity, nothing they pass. Outside people that go rule for 1 million years. Una go there they shout liberation. Una go there they shout freedom. Una go there they shout referendum. Una no go see for I if una not unite. Now this word when Funky D get for now. Make una manage them like that. I don't tell una whether not tell una. Una not fit convince anybody again because we already know waiting day. No time. One love everybody. Thank you.